So we're going to Italy this time. So Moscato d'Asti is a sweet wine made in Piedmont, known for low alcohol and delicate mousse. How is it made? Is it a traditional method, transfer method, col fondo, or modified Charmat method? So Moscato d'Asti is actually one of my favorites when it comes to desserts. Now it has the delicate mousse. It has roughly about 2 atmospheres in the bottle. It has the sweetness that's balanced with the acidity, and it perfectly matches dessert. So if I want to have some sparkling wine, but don't want to go for the dry sparkling wine, which wouldn't match with my sweet dessert, this is where I'm going, Moscato d'Asti.
Okay, and we have answers coming in, and we have some consensus that it is either 4 or 2.
4 or 2. It is actually 4. So when we're looking at the sparkling wine methods of production, traditional method, of course, is the secondary fermentation in the bottle. And you know it from the champagne production, Franciacorta production. Then later on, when you look into transfer method, very often that method is used in the New World, and it's actually secondary fermentation will take place in a bottle, but then the wine will be bottled, will be returned to the tank and bottled under the pressure from the tank. Then col fondo, it's actually a style of sparkling wine that it's when it's aged and sold with the lees, and you can find that in Italy as well. And the answer here is modified Charmat method. But why is it modified, and what is it? Charmat method, it's essentially a tank method. So you're making a sparkling wine in a tank under the pressure. But why is it modified? Moscato d'Asti having 5.5% of alcohol, so low alcohol, actually doesn't go through secondary fermentation. We start with the juice, and we ferment the juice and stop fermentation at 5.5, or keep the must chilled, and we actually make Moscato to order. Because it's all about the freshness, fruitiness, and that beautiful aromatics that is offered by the Moscato grape variety. So you want your Moscato d'Asti as fresh as possible and as young as possible. So very often Moscato d'Asti is actually made to order. So bottles are not waiting in the winery. When the order comes, wine will be made and shipped. So modified Charmat method, because we go through only one fermentation, and we don't start with the wine, we start with the juice.